Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions and format so capture is consistent. This prevents surprises later. Open Halide Mark II, select Pro RAW when you want maximum editing latitude, or hike to save space. Once done, set the shutter mode to auto for handheld shooting or 1/2s on a tripod. Enabling grid and level helps composition. Make sure to tap the focus and exposure controls early, because locking now avoids shifts as you move to the next steps. You now shape the image. Switch to manual mode to control ISO and shutter speed so you can balance motion versus noise. Use the focus dial or tap to lock, and rely on focus peaking so you know what is sharp. This matters especially for close subjects. Monitor the histogram to avoid clipping highlights or shadows, and toggle depth or macro tools when you need subject separation. Once exposure and focus are steady, prepare to capture multiple frames for selection. You finish by choosing the right capture method. Use burst for action or smart RAW for bracketed exposures to maximize post options. After shooting, review frames at full resolution and export Pro RAW for deep edits, or apply quick crops and exposure fixes within Halide. If things go wrong, reset to defaults, relock focus and exposure, and verify app permissions. These steps solve most issues. Finally, save your best frame and back it up. This preserves the work you just carefully created.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.